video is part of my slow motion series. I'm going to demonstrate how to pick up a dropped stitch with a crochet hook. And this is for very visual learners, and I'm also going to demonstrate this in stockinette on the knit side of stockinette. If you have a different drop stitch situation, I have a bunch of videos on correcting drop stitches or correcting mistakes. I'll go ahead and give you a link to that playlist because it might be that this video is going to help you with exactly what you need, or it might be that you're working a garter stitch or something else and you need a different video. If you'd like to see my correcting a drop stitch video in regular motion, regular speed motion, I'll give you a link to that as well. I'm going to use this little sample, and people ask me all the time, what do you do with all the samples that you knit up for your videos? Well, this is one that I actually saved from years ago, and I'm going to use it in this video, kind of destroy it. I'm going to deliberately drop a stitch, which is something that you can do deliberately to correct a mistake in a column. Without having to rip back all the rows. But I'm going to do it in this case like it was an accident and I just need to get the stitch back up on the needle. I'm going to use a crochet hook. So let's go slow-mo. You see, that last little thing I did there was I gave the stitch a little twist to get it mounted correctly on the needle after I'd pulled it all the way back up. Well, I hope that helps you, very visual learners. Good luck.